What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing and overview of the Smith Wesson M&P 2.0. This version here has front and rear serrations on the slide, which is nice. This is an optic ready version. It comes with some plates to mount your optics to it. And then also the front and rear sights are suppressor height sights, which is nice as well. This is considered a full-size handgun. It has a 4¼ inch barrel inside. And then also it comes with the stock 17-round magazines, but there are extensions you can add as well. Also, this version does have a thumb safety here that's ambidextrous on both sides. And then if you did want to mount a pistol, laser, or light on the front here, it's Picatinny to do so as well. Also in the package, it comes with 3 different back straps that you can swap out to get a good grip on the gun. And then it also comes with some optic plates, as I mentioned. You can take off that top cover, add one of these for the correct footprint of your optic, so you can mount a red dot to the top. Lastly then, you do get a second 17-round magazine that does come in your package as well. The other cool thing is this is called the Tac Pack version, so it does come with this pistol case. It'll hold 2 pistols in here, but then also with the Tac Pack version here, it does come with 3 additional 17-round magazines. So in total, we have 5 magazines with our gun as well. So overall, a great option as far as getting this Tac Pack version for the additional magazines and the case. So all in all, here's everything again that it comes with. We have the bag, we have 5 magazines, the actual full-size M&P 2.0 handgun with the safety on it, 3 different back straps, and the optic plates to mount an optic. Definitely best bang for your buck pistol that I've seen. You can even find these on sale sometimes. So if you have the option to pick one of these up, I would definitely recommend it. All in all, that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. And as always, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon.